I'm going to show you how to deactivate the workflow to create bank account IDs in SAP S/4HANA. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance. I work as an SAP FICO Contract. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Here, in this channel, we are doing a full lifecycle implementation based in finance and control. So please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. I'm building a document that will become a PDF how to navigate in the SAP at a glance YouTube channel. If you want to receive the PDF, please send me a message in my LinkedIn that you can find in the description with the message I want to receive the PDF and your email as well. Once it's ready, I'll send it to you. In S/4HANA, SAP changed slightly the process of creating bank accounts. Those banks are still created through the customizing. However, accounts ID can be created directly in production by end users. There is a workflow process to get the approvals of these bank accounts, so then they can be used for payments. Most of the cases, this is not the scenario that the companies will implement. Hence, they keep centrally the create of the master data for bank accounts. Also, in our project to allow us to create the house bank and after the accounts ID, we need to deactivate the workflow. Otherwise, this will be sent nowhere because there is no configuration and we cannot finish our work. And now, without any further ado, let's go to the system to see how to make this simple step, but very, very useful. Now we are in the SAP IMG menu. So, how do we go there? So we have here the option Financial Supply Chain Management. Then we drill down to Cash and Liquidity Management. Then we go for Bank Account Management. And then in the bank account managed, we have this option that is maintain. Then we have the option maintain the event type linkage for a triggering workflow process. We click here. And then here we have other workflows. We have the object types for the workflow. Now we type 11 times in this system page down, 11 times. So I just found the object types is FC LM underscore CR. As we can see, this is active. Normally this is when the system is implemented, this is active by default. But when we are in sandbox or dev, whatever we are testing and creating bank accounts, we must come here and give some double click there. It's pretty simple. Remove this. And then this is enough. We can remove only one entry and leave the other ticked because it's not going to work anymore. But for this case, I'm going to remove both entries. Oops, I created in the previous one. I'm going to remove both entries. So then we deactivate the object type for the workflow to create the bank account IDs. If this video was very useful for you, please type in the comments. Now you know how to deactivate the workflow to create bank accounts ID in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video as part of the full lifecycle series implementation that we are doing here in this channel. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please subscribe to this channel to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.